Good morning. How are you this morning? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good myself. I made a friend last night, and I'm currently making another one. We have all seen the anxiety dragons. I am doing an anxiety turtle. Specifically, the Flexi Turtle from Flexi Factory. You know, this one. And this one is at 150%. The one I'm doing is at 175%. The reason I'm doing it at 175% is because I wanted this print to go on as long as I could today. It is 5:30 in the morning, and that means it will be going on till at least 6 o'clock tonight. And every hour, I'm changing filament. Starting off with the print bed blue. And that's the other 11. Hopefully it works. Alrighty, color swap number 1. That's how far we are with the blue. I decided to go with the Ukrainian base. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a stand for my phone, so I can't film myself doing this, but I'll be back in just a second. It's kind of hard to tell, but there is some yellow in there, so I think that swap went good. Oh yeah, it's going down good. Anywho, see y'all in an hour. Alrighty, everybody. Update number 3, color swap number 2. I think we're gonna go with the violet. Currently, after an hour, that's what it looks like. I'll be back in just a minute. And we've already got some violet showing through. It looks better over here. Once again, see y'all in an hour. Update number 4, color swap number 3. I have a little bit to add to this one too. So I wasn't able to catch the color swap because I was on the phone with my wife and daughter. We were all showing each other our 3D prints, all running at the same time. Super happy about that. Anyway, on to the color. I went with the apple green, and you can already see it going there. It's looking good. One thing I did notice is that when picking out my colors, hold on, I have 2 different oranges, which is fine, not a big deal, but I think I'm going to use one of them now so that I can use one of them later, so I don't have an orange on top of an orange. Either way, see y'all in an hour. Anxiety Turtle, update number 5, color swap number 4. I actually had to hang up to make this one, so you're lucky. Looking amazing in that apple green. Switching to the orange, give me just a second. Okay, we got the orange up there. It appears to be coming out good. I'm thinking the marble on the next run. But, see y'all in an hour. Anxiety Turtle, part 6, filament swap 5. Just make sure I got that right. Currently we have the orange. It is looking good. Swap over to some marble. It's a little hard to see, but it is starting to show up. I think we're going to go with this next. See y'all in an hour. Anxiety Turtle part 7, color swap part 6. Turtle is still looking amazing. And we're going with this. Alright, we got that loaded up. And there it is. You can kind of see it starting right there. It's also starting on some infill. And I'm thinking to finish it off, we're going to do the pink, the silver, the red, the blue, and then top it off with some orange. But either way, see y'all in an hour. Anxiety Turtle part 8, color swap part 7. That is currently where we are at. This thing is coming out gorgeous. And we are going with the pink. Be back in just a second. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but it is definitely there. There you go, that's a little better. Up next is this gray. See y'all in an hour. Anxiety Turtle part 9, color swap part 8. I had to go do laundry, so the pink ran way longer than I wanted it to, but I think it'll be alright. That's where we're at. Swapping it now. Okay, we got the red up there. I don't know why I didn't think about the flashlight earlier, but the red is working. And the only colors I have selected are blue and orange. But I think I might have to add another color, possibly go back to one of the other ones, because I think it's going to take longer than that. But we'll see. At any rate, see you in an hour. Anxiety Turtle Part 10, Color Swap Part 9. That's where we are with the red. Grab some blue. Alrighty, we got the blue up there. And we can see it's starting to come through. Fluorescent Orange is up next. See you in an hour. Anxiety Turtle Part 11, Color Swap Part 10. And we only have slightly over an hour, so this will be the last color. Right now it's running the blue. Swapping it out for the Fluorescent Orange. And we see it starting. Whoop, whoop. Get around that extruder. And that is the color we are going to end on. I will update you as soon as it's done. Anxiety Turtle Part 12, the finale. It looks amazing. I love it. I love it. Wish I would have let the yellow run just a little bit longer. But he is cute as a button. Now I'm kind of stuck. I like him. Do I keep him? Or put him on Etsy? I don't know. We'll see.